Welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Google Docs, the powerful cloud-based word processor by Google. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for an easy way to create and share your documents, this guide will take you through the basics and the advanced tips. So let's get started. Now let's first access the Google. Open your browser and type in googledocs.com. If you're not yet signed into the account, you need to sign in the account so I can use the Google Docs. Google Docs is part of the free Google Workspace suite. So as long as you're signed in, then you're good to go. Step 1. Once you are in, you'll see the dashboard. Here you can create a new document and a blank icon. You can access templates, resumes, reports, even meeting notes. So let's start with a blank document. The file menu is like a backbone of your document, whether you just wanted to download or create a document. Anyway, let's explore it and see what it's capable of. So let's head over to the file. And here we can create a new document, as you see. Then let's head over to the we can also use the template if you want. Let me cancel this. Can use the template if you want. There are several templates basing on the project that you wanna do. You can base on it and select the template that you wanna use. The multiple you can choose. So here we can make a copy of our document. So we can share to others. You can add whom you want to share to. And you can skip that, and we can select the people that we want to add to. The emails, those are the people that we want to add to. Then we'll copy after adding those people, we copy the link, and now we'll share to them so that they can access the same document as we are accessing right now. So when we go to the email, we can email this file. You can write whom the email is going to, then the subject, then the message, then the document type. It will automatically convert and it will send to the other person. It can be an RTF, an open document, HTML, Microsoft Word, plain text, basing on what you want. So we can download our document. This is downloading it to our device or computer. So you can download as Microsoft Word, open document, rich text format. We can also download as a PDF, plain text, all these formats. We can rename our document name. So we can say that first document. First document, we've saved it as that. We have renamed it, not saving. We have renamed as the first document. And now if you want to move our document, let's see the options that we get. We can move to the folders in our Google Drive. You can do that. We can go to maybe all locations, my drive. You select anywhere you want to move your document to. And now the other thing that we have to do is we can also add a shortcut to our drive. That means the document is gonna be the shortcut is gonna be at our Google Drive. So when you tap your Google Drive, you will see this link, and it will link you to the document. this is to moving trash, that is obvious. View history, you can view all the work that we've done, and we can also make it available offline. When we turn it on, let's see what it does. It's loading, it's telling us the reload to allow offline editing. This document, we can view it offline since we have allowed it to be viewed offline. We also have the languages. You can change the language of your Microsoft Docs based on what you want, your preferred language. From the page setup, let's check it out. We can set our pages to portrait or landscape, and yeah, these are the different ones. Or you can make it to be pageless. So the edit menu is where you can fine-tune your text. It provides essential tools like undoing mistakes, copying your content, and even finding and replacing your text effortlessly. Let's head over to the edit. Let me give an example. Let me type down, let me say trust. Then in the edit, we can undo. The word is gone, as you see, and or we can redo. The word is back again. So when I highlight and I go to the edit, I can cut and Ctrl V, I paste, or I can cut from right here and I go back to the edit and I just paste. It's the same thing with a copy. You can copy and paste and paste, yeah, right there. So we also have this option of pasting without formatting. Let's see how it does. Since we have not formatted, let me try to format. Let me add let me do that. Then let me go back. I copy. Now I go back. I want to paste it right here. Edit, paste without formatting. As you see, I've pasted it, but it's not formatted as this. So this is the select. You can do this on your keyboard. If I want to select all this text, I'll just press Ctrl All. It has selected all. But again, I can go to the edit and I select all. Let's go to the edit, find and replace. Just find trust. And now we want to replace it with faith. Replace all. Next. Oh, let's cancel this. As you see, wherever we have trust, we have faith. The view menu helps you to customize your workspace. So let's see how it does. Let's head over to the view. Then let's go to the mode. This is already in editing mode. And the view. Then so this is the suggestion mode, and let's go to viewing mode. View mode. This is the view mode. So this is how the document will look like, and you can't edit it if it's in the view mode. So we can change to editing mode from right here, or go back to the view and change it from right there. So let's head over to the comments. Here we can hide comments, minimize comments, expand comments, show all comments. And now here we have our collapse tabs. We can outline the sidebars. This is basic for sure. The full screen mode, we can make our document the full screen. Let's dismiss, or let's escape. So the insert section is all about adding creativity to your document. So let's look at it. So let's head over to insert. Here we can upload an image from the computer. When we upload the image from the computer, it will come right there, and we'll try to edit. Let me see. We want to decrease its size a little again, and also the frame. Shall try to do it like that. Okay, so that's the image that we've got, and let's insert. We can also insert using the drive itself. We can also insert using the photos itself, Google Photos, and we can also use the camera. All these options are available. So let's try to insert the table. This is our table. Then we can fill in our, maybe this is 1, 2, 3. You can insert anything in our table. And let's go to the next. We need to draw. Let me see. Yeah, we need to draw. This is insert, drawing, new. So let's draw. Hey, come on. We're drawing, don't worry. Okay, it's loading now. Let's draw a shape. Let's select any shape from right here. We're setting our shape. So we're done. Let's save. And it's right here. I'll save and close. Right click, and these are the options that you can do on your shape. You can cut, paste, delete, command, insert an emoji. So these are the margins. You can customize it in that way. So let's move on to the chart. Let me use an example. There are multiple charts. We have the bar, we have the column, we have the line, we have the pie. But let's go with the bar. Let me insert that bar, and here we can change the values. We can edit it, but that can be done in another video. I don't want to prolong this video. So let's go to the horizontal. Let's create an horizontal line. Insert horizontal line. It's right here. Yeah, that is the horizontal line. However small it is, just bear with it. This is how we can increase its size a little. So let's go to insert emojis. You can insert emojis, smart chips. We can insert the date, and we can insert people, file, calendar event, place, insert a drop down, new drop down. So you can add options. For instance, drop down, menu, then select the color, let it be red for each. Sorry about the background sound. Set red. Now let's just leave it as option 1, 2, 3. So you have inserted the drop down. When I click on it, I can select any option. Yeah, so this is really cool for the Google Docs. It's really amazing. Footnotes, you can add a footnote right here. So these are the building blocks. For instance, we have a simple decision log, or we can view the most, meeting, project management, contact list, all that. You can apply it. We can add a header. Let's add tech. Though it doesn't, it's not aligning with our document, but you just have to bear with me. These are just examples. You can also add the footer, the same thing. We can add the footer the same. So these are the page numbers. We can select the different. We can choose from these static ones, but also we can customize, and we can also add the link. First add a text, and now this will appear as a link curl. Okay, we can paste the link right here. Maybe for reference, you're referring something using this document. This is the best way to do it. Then insert, let's see, okay, the comment we've seen, the bookmark. You can also bookmark. You can insert the bookmark. It's right here. We're bookmarking our drop-down list. And let's go to the table of content, and we can select any that we want, but let's delete that. These are just examples. You can do it in your free time. Think of your format menu as a stylist. It helps you adjust your fonts, alignments, and spacing to make your document look polished and more professional. So heading over to the format, let's start by, let me press enter. Let me mark. Okay, that's the format. Then let's start by bolding. That's the bold. Then let's go to the italic. That's the italic. Then let's go to, let's underline it, and let's go to, so these are the different formats that you can apply to your Word or document. So these are the borders. This is the paragraph and styles. You can add normal text as a title, a subtitle, heading, different headings. Then right here we can align our text either to the left, center, or right, and so we can apply line spacing, single, double. We can also customize our line spacing. We can apply, we can insert our rows. We can insert the different rows and columns. We can also apply bullets and numbering right here. These are the different styles. You can just click and select. We also have headers and footers. Those are the same things that we've been covering previously. If you've been following the video, those bring advanced functionality to your fingertips. Let's check it out and see how it works. So heading over to the tools, let's check. This is the spelling, where you can check the spelling and grammar. It shows spelling and a personal dictionary. Then we also have the word count. This will count the words. These are the reviews and suggested edits. This is the compare the document. We can compare the documents. Maybe it should be a website. Oh, not a website, just a print. Let's go line and numbers. Let's go to the line and numbers. Let's see how it does. Okay, these are the lines and numbers. So here we can adjust to anything that we want. We can do it on each page, or restart each section basing on what you really need. So yeah, these are the different ones. We also have the dictionary, we have the translate. We can translate the So let's go to this feature called the voice typing. So this feature, I'll just tap right here and start speaking. It's gonna transcribe. It's going to write whatever I speak. So this is really a handy feature for those that don't really like so much typing. It will work for you. So notification settings, these are the notification settings. These are the preferences, the different preferences that you may suggest using. You can actually dive into that. And lastly, we have the accessibility. We can turn on the screen reader support, and we can also turn on the magnifier support. So when we turn on this and we click OK, we turned it on, but I didn't see an impact. The extension menu is where you can supercharge your Google Docs by allowing third parties. So let's check it out and see the extension. We can get ads on. Okay, we can add intelligent apps. All these are the different extensions that we can add. We can also add app scripts that's loading to a different website which we don't want to go to. We can also use the GPT for slides, docs and sheets. So let's start. It's working. Okay, so this is the AI feature that is backed into our Google Docs, ChatGPT, where you can be able to use ChatGPT in our Google Docs. So here we can write an essay with images, we can draft an employment contract, we can write an article, we can generate an AI image. Wow, this is amazing. So this is how ChatGPT is embedded into our Google Docs. So if you feel stuck with Google Docs, the help menu is your answer. You just have to check it out. Let's actually check it out and see. Help section, and they are different. We can search, we can go to help straight, we can go to the training update, and here is where you can help docs to improve. Then the privacy policy and terms of service, the keyboard shortcuts, they are also right here. You can check it out by yourself. The following are the bonus features of Google Docs. So if you look at these features in Google Docs, but again we have to also consider these. For instance, the search, the undo, you have seen this. Then the print, how we can print, you just tap on the print and now you select the printer and now you print, as easy as it is. And now here is changing the, I think we looked at that. Then the font style, these are the different font styles that we can apply, and we also can increase our font size right here. And if I tap the three dot menu, I'll look at these formatting tools. We have looked at them. Yeah, so that is it for today's Google Docs tutorial. And what feature worked for you best? What tool worked for you best in Google Docs? Leave a comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.